Try.
Get her out.
Oh, she's in there. Right
I know, but
there.
she comes out right here.
Come on. Oh, pull her. Get her out.
Do you know how to get her out?
No.
Look, she's moving.
I think you kind of freaked her.
Look.
He's moving.
You see her?
She's right over there.
Yeah, she's right here.
Can you get her out?
See if you can see her through Nanny's belly button.
Yeah, I bet you can. Look real hard. Look right there.
Okay.
Look. See if you see her.
I don't know how to get her.
You don't know how to get her out?
No.
I bet if you talk to her, she'll come out. I bet
Maybe if
give
you
her
do the
a kiss.
Chihuahua dance for her, she'll come out.
You want to do the Chihuahua dance?
No.
Maybe she wants to cheese it.
Ooh, give her a snack.
Maybe she wants a bite.
Here.